Movie trivia and rating website is a web application that contains information about movies. The web application allows the user to search and display information about your favorite movies. It is a modern web application in which the user can view posters, trailers, information of the cast, movie plot, and a fun trivia about the movie. The audience of this website are movie buffs who are interested in learning more about the intricate details of the movie. We have built this web application using Node.js, React.js, and Firebase. This is our landing page. We have set up authentication via Firebase, using which we can perform user authentication using our Gmail ID. After creating a project in the Firebase console, enable Google as a sign-in provider under authentication. All the Gmail IDs that are listed here are the users that have logged into our web application. In our project folder, we need to add a file named firebase.js. Here we paste the config variable from the Firebase console. After this, we initialize Firebase and set up authentication. Since we are using Google Authentication, we also set up Google Authentication Provider. Now, as we can see, upon clicking on Login, it shows us all of the Google accounts on this browser. So now, upon logging in via Google, we will be redirected to the home page. And as we can see on the navigation bar, the profile picture of the Gmail ID is displayed.
In the home page, firstly we have the image slider. These sliding images are powered by React Slick components. To set up these sliders, first we need to define some settings. So the settings that we are defining are: we'll enable the dots below the slider, allow infinite scrolling, set up the speed to be 500 milliseconds, display one image at a time, and allow one image to slide at a time. Also, we'll make this autoplay to make the slides move without any user intervention. Here we create a style component named carousel, and we'll add the settings that we defined over here. Then we have four style components named wrap. These components contain individual sliding images, which are stored in the public directory. The next feature of this website is we have 5 grids for the top studios, which displays the studio's logo, and upon hovering over a particular grid, the introduction video of the top studio is shown. To set this up, we have 5 wrap components, which contains an image tag and a video tag. The image tag contains the logo of the studio, and the video tag will contain the source of the video. So all these videos are stored in the public directory itself. And under the video tag, we have set autoplay to be true, infinite looping to be true, and place inline to be true. Place inline is enabled to prevent the video to go on a full screen mode. Then we have 4 genres of movies, namely action, thrillers, horror, and drama. To show how this part is done, let's look at the action.js page. Here we have a component named content, under which we'll be performing some operations. That is, if a collection named movies exists, then we'll loop through this collection. So to do this, we'll be using movies.map function, and the contents that we'll be fetching are movie ID and the movie card image. These are the card images of each movie.
Upon hovering on the card images for each movie, we can see that they get enlarged and highlighted. Now on opening a particular movie, we are routed to the details/ID page. Here we have the rating of the movie, and it also shows us the number of people who have rated this movie. Let us try rating this movie. After rating it, this rating component is disabled and the number of people who have rated the movie is implemented. Also, if you notice that we cannot rate the movie once again. We can also view the trailer of the movie using a video component which fetches a YouTube ID from the file store and plays the video. Right below that, you can see the year which the movie was released, the duration of the movie, and the type of movie. Going further down, you can see the plot of the movie. Finally, the director, writer, and the star cast is also displayed. Coming to the last and also the remaining part. Coming to the last part, we have a fun trivia of the movie.